Here's the most beautiful roses of the morning, and this one's kind of amazing to me. I've had this for a while. This is Honeymoon Arbor Rose, and it's actually looking quite stunning today. It's very beautiful. And this is my Mrs. B.R. Cat. Let me show you a better version of that over here. This is 6 feet tall. Oops, I just fell in a hole because I just planted some plants. Anyway, Mrs. B.R. Cant. This here is about 4.5 feet tall here. And this got pruned back severely. Let's find other beautiful roses in the garden this morning. This one here is Crown Princess Marguerite. And it's growing up this arch here, but let's go across the way here. And this one is Climbing Westerland. And it's got multiple blooms here, but I also have Willerton Old Hall growing right next to it. Look at this, beautiful, beautiful. Lark Ascending, the Lady Gardener, Eustacia Vi. Now this is my Moonlight in Paris. Looks like the buds are a little bit overdue, but look how beautiful. It just glows from a distance, but I am battling black spot on this one bad. But here's a new blossom right here. Beautiful. Windermere's getting some blooms and buds. Souvenir de Malmaison. It's pinker than it looks in this camera. Had to show you my beautiful hydrangea bloom. And another. These are more purple in the camera. They're like washed out right here. And they're low to the ground, so picking up a little bit of dirt. Verbena and phlox. Davis Store Rose. Coral Drift Roses. This is pink cashmere with some salvia, but this is one of my first James Galway blooms. Queen of Sweden. Delish. Sensuous. Bathsheba. Pretty in Pink, Climbing Eden. Knockout, I think Iroquois. Just beautiful here. I really like the way red looks with this purple too. I just transplanted this and they look more red in person, like purple, or blue I should say, rather than this like orangey color. They're not orange at all, but this is the Burgundy Iceberg. And I just transplanted her yesterday. Pompanella's first bloom, still in the bucket. And the last one for today is Malvern Hills.